Let's understand the meaning of the term book closure. Book closure is the dates between which a company keeps its register of members closed for updating prior to payments of dividends or issue of new shares or debentures. देखिए क्या होता है, every company needs to maintain its register of members. Register of members, whomsoever are the members or shareholders etc. of that company is being maintained in register of members. Priorly what used to happen was this register was used to being maintained physically, जहां पर यदि seller है वो अपने shares बेचना चाह रहा है, if the seller wants to sell his shares to the buyer, they used to apply into the company, send their physical share certificates जो कि फिजिकली फॉर्म में होते थे, नॉट इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फॉर्म जैसा कि आजकल ट्रेडिंग हो रही है. सो दे यूज्ड टू सेंड देयर शेयर्स टू द कंपनी, शेयर सर्टिफिकेट्स अलोंग विद एन एप्लीकेशन इन प्रिस्क्राइब्ड फॉर्मेट सो दैट द शेयर्स would get transferred to the buyer. The name of the seller was removed from the register of members and the entry of the name of buyer used to be done in the register of the members. So this was the entire process. Now things are being done electronically. So आप ऑनलाइन जाते हैं, अपने शेयर्स सेल का एप्लीकेशन लगाते हैं, बायर उसे खरीद लेते हैं और ऑटोमेटिकली सारा प्रोसेस इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली इज बीइंग परफॉर्म. बट now what happens is sometimes the shareholders are getting, say for example, dividends, or shareholders are getting bonus shares. So who will get the dividend? Who are the existing shareholders on a particular date. So that date is called a record date. Whomsoever are the members of the company on the particular date will be getting the bonus shares or dividend on the shares. So for updating this thing, that who all are the members, this register is being closed, kept closed for a range of date. So the dates between which a company keeps its register of members closed for updating prior to payments of dividends, that whomsoever are the members on a particular date range, or issue of new shares like bonus shares or debentures. So जो eligible है उन्हीं को मिले, तो एक date range के बीच में वो अपने keeps its register of members close for updating, उस बीच में वो share transfer या फिर ऐसे transfers को register नहीं करते. That date is known as, range of dates is known as book closure date.